The other way.
We're down here with Jeremy, about to launch my first rockets. It's very exciting.
And it wasn't actually aiming
No, do you want to do it? No, you do it.
Yeah,
You get it ready.
Like right here?
Yeah, that's perfect.
It's been on for 1 minute already.
So what I'd do,
Alright, here we go, my first rockets. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bad igniter.
still got a red light? Yeah, no, it's probably not. Right, pull the key.
Alright, so ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It was your first go.
She's jammed in there, alright?
So it definitely pushed the motor out a little bit. You can see the marks.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know what I think happened? Your ejection charges went around your motor and came out there.
Ah, there you go.
I reckon, I almost guarantee that's what happened. That's why this is all charred.
Right, that would make sense.
Yeah.
It's your first go.
There you go. Who would have thought rocket science was difficult?
At least you learned something new.
Absolutely.
As long as we're learning, it's alright.
So it's actually better.
Later if you like.
Actually to the circus.
Would you like to go and have a look later?
I'd love to go